is CV Unboxing. CV Unboxing of N64 games. I got Madden 700 for everybody from Nintendo 64. Mario Kart 64 for everybody. Mario Ham Soccer for everybody. Jet Force, I don't know which game is. Jet Force. Gamni, something like that. I don't know which game it is. I know I play this game. Perfect Dark. Ooh, one of my favorite games is Perfect Dark. And to top off the two collections now, Game Bomb 007 and Game Bomb the Golden one 007. World is not enough. Another two. But one of my favorite game of all that I got is Rampage. One of my favorite games here for Nintendo 64. Rampage. I got Rampage. And a memory card plus for the N64. I will have some reviews on Rampage and the Corona and Mario 64 review gameplay of all these soon. I want to get my cable. And let's do it. I will do it. So check back. Okay, tomorrow I will have a new unboxing tomorrow on Super Smash Bros. Unboxing tomorrow. It's CV unboxing of N64 games. See you. Subscribe to my channel and see you next.